Hello and welcome to Target Dashboard. There are loads of ways to get your data into Target Dashboard. You can type it manually, you can use an Excel file, you can copy and paste, you can use our data grabber to link to Excel files and to your live databases. And you can connect to the likes of Google Analytics or other online analytic programs. But today we're going to concentrate on importing data from an Excel file. Take a look at this Excel file. There are 3 columns: for month, for sales value and for units sold. It's very important that every file that you have that you want to put into Target Dashboard has a date column. That could be weekly, daily, monthly, quarterly, but whatever it is, it must exist, and it must also be in the correct format. There's plenty of information on the application and on the website to show you what are the correct formats. When importing data from Excel, your file needs to be closed before you can import it. So that's what I'm going to do just now. So my file is closed and I'm now ready to create a table in which to put my data. To do that, the first thing I have to do is click on the My Data link at the top of the screen. Let's do that now. I'm now going to choose to click on Add New Table, because that's where I'm going to put my data. So let's do that now. I've got 2 options, as you can see in front of you. I can select a new table wizard or to manually create a table. This time we're going to use the table wizard because we have an Excel file with our data in it. So I'm going to select Start Wizard. Once the wizard opens, you get 2 options. The first one, I have an Excel file, or the second one, I want to do it on my own effectively. Again, because we've got our Excel file, I'm going to click on the top option. The wizard opens up step 1 and it asks you to select a file. To do that, you click on the select button. Once you've selected your file, click on Next to continue with the process. We're now given step 2 of the process, selecting where our data is on the workbook. The sheet, I'm going to leave that as sheet 1 because that's where our data was. I'm not going to limit the range, although we could. And I'm going to check that the date column has been selected correctly as the month column from my spreadsheet, which it has. I'm then going to click on Guess Column Types so that Target Dashboard can automatically work out the mapping types for your columns. You can see that Target Dashboard has made both of my columns decimals with 2 decimal places. You can change that if you want to. For example, you could change units sold to be a whole number. Once you're happy that everything is how you want it and you've checked it in the preview screen at the bottom, you can click on Next. There are now 3 more settings that we have to make decisions on. The table name, in this instance I've changed it to be Sales Demo. The frequency of the table, and in this instance I've changed it to be monthly. And the folder. I've let the default be acceptable. And I'm happy that the data below in the preview window is looking correct, and I can click Next. And that's it. We've created our table. On the screen in front, what you can see is a choice to go and look at your table directly, or you could create a new chart, and you could add it to a dashboard. It's your choice what you want to do next. What we'll do is we'll click on Go to your table. And this is what you'll get to see. You'll see a number of tabs showing you the data, the security settings, and some options which are still to come for us of email alerts and exceptions. On the left hand side you can see the list of folders where we keep all the tables and all the different table names that are in it. And you're ready to go. Good luck.